The topic of this video is how to get affiliate links for Amazon. Let's get in. Amazon.com is a vast internet-based enterprise that sells books, music, movies, housewares, electronics, toys, and many other goods, either directly or as the middleman between other retailers and Amazon.com's millions of customers. Here I am on the dashboard of Amazon. To get any link here, simply search from the search bar, search any item. I am going to write about digital cameras here. A variety of digital cameras will appear. You can choose any of them. I will choose this and open it. Scroll it down and you can see all the details about it. If you see the title bar, you will get different options to get a link. As text, if you press it, you will see two types of links here, a short and a full link. Moreover, the next option is an image. You can decrease or increase the size of the image. The next option is text plus image. If you open it, you will get the option to open a link in a new tab and show the browser, then custom. You can copy the links from here. That's how you can get an affiliate link for Amazon. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.